How to open HEIC images in Android. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So some pictures shot by iPhone are in HEIC format. Now when you try to open it in Android phone, it often says that the image is corrupted. Now in order to see the photos in HEIC format, simply go to your Play Store and then you will have to install an application HEIC converter. This is the application you would be looking for. Simply install this application and then enter the HEIC link, whether you got it from your WhatsApp or any other media sources. All you have to do is open the file and you can open it from your WhatsApp. After that, simply tap on convert button and it will be converted to JPG and you will be able to see the image. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.